Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can start streaming on Kick with OBS. Alright, now first thing what you need to do is log in into your kick.com and go to your creator dashboard. You will find it at the top right corner where your profile icon is, and then you will see creator dashboard. Now in the left hand menu select stream URL and key and copy your stream URL and your stream key. So keep these two keys as a secret. Alright, now let's jump into the OBS. Under the file at the top left corner, click on it and then go to the settings and then stream tab. You will see at the hand left menu. And now what you need to do, just paste the stream URL and stream key and then just click apply and OK. Now the Kick is optimized for 1080p. Using settings that are too high can cause buffering. So also here in the advanced settings you can set a little bit that it won't that you won't have any buffering. Also here in the output tab you can set video bitrate to around 6,000 to 8,000 kilobits per second. This is depending on your internet upload speed. You can also set some keyframe intervals. Ordinary is around 2 seconds. Then what you can do also here in the output resolution, match it with the OBS. Bitrate, change it here to 6,000. And yeah, as I mentioned, keyframe interval is 2 seconds. And when you set this, everything as I mentioned here in the video, you can just go live. Right here in the stream info, click on this pencil first and then put in the title, category, tags, and then language. Click save, and after that you can go live and start streaming. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next